let's do flow drills into lock flow. So start with gunting. So whenever we get back to gunting, then I want you to start your lock flow. Okay? So when you get back to gunting, I'm gonna grab your wrist, and now you can do your lock flow. Go ahead. That's all you know, then stop there. And now throw a punch. Good, and then grab my wrist with your other hand. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And I throw the punch back. So anytime we get to gunting, you can look for the lock flow. That's fine. Wherever you lose it, then you stop. And grab. And I want back. Yeah, you got the next one. Good.
Can you explain step by step?
Yes.
Okay.
So, starting from our first drill, it's just a straight punch drill, parry, parry, check, and I punch back. Giving us 4 beats, basically to teach us about rhythm and timing. This drill could just be a single parry and a single punch. That would be 1 beat, but then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's in quarter beats. And so that's teaching us that on this one I could hit, on this one I could hit, on this one I could hit on any of those beats. And then they have another drill which is exactly the same, based off a high line strike, Hubud, and Pagilba Sig is just the backhand line. So if we look at those 3, it gives us a periphery around the head, straight at the head from gunting, side of the head, Hubud, and backhand side of the head, Pagilba Sig. And so you link all 3 of those. I think we added Tagyan in there too, but we'll just stay with those 3. And then we're just going, when we get to gunting, I can give him a stimulus to do a flow that he knows with 2 finger up, 1 finger down, standing center, downward center. Yes, you got it. Good, now punch. Nice. And then you grab me, and I'll do the whole thing. Standing, downward, thumb lock, arm bar, figure 4, hammer lock, past the head, outer wrist throw, downward, reverse. Back to the punches. And we're only doing all of these flow drills on the right side. I could also switch and do all these flow drills on the left side. Messing him up. And that's a lot of times why we'll sometimes only work the right side of these drills, especially in seminars. And I'm just making different transitions to force him to pick up different lines that he's not used to. Good. And then I give him a stimulus, which tells him it's time to lock. Nice. Good job. And I can always pick just 1 lock and go right back. Pick 1 lock. Go right back. Pick 1 lock, go right back. Exactly. Pick 1 lock, go right back. Pick one lock. Go right back.
So what do you call that? Lock flow drill?
Empty hand flow drills with our lock flow. Yep.